Hello everyone, this is Neha Sharma. Today in this video we will try to complete chapter number 1, A Triumph of Surgery. We had 2 videos of this chapter earlier and where we studied the chapter till page number 4. So today we will study the story ahead, but till this paragraph, this is paragraph number 3, I think, on page number 4. We have done up to here, and we have read that all the other dogs accepted Tricky as a family member, and they also started to play with him. Now, this paragraph 3 we have to start. All the while, Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for latest bulletin. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather, but I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convulsing rapidly. So here, dear students, what happened that when this dog was getting cured, so Mrs. Pumphrey, she was regularly attached. She also called regularly to doctor to ask about Tricky. So this we will study in this paragraph, but before that, just underline some of the words here. Anxiously means what? Anxiously means nervousness or feeling or showing worriness here. So this means anxious. And next is bulletins, latest bulletins. So bulletins is a short summary of news, right? That is called bulletins. Convulsing, that is what? Convulsing means that is recover one's health and strength over a period of time, right? So doctor said that all the while when Tricky started curing, Mrs. Pumphrey used to call more than 12 times a day to inquire, because she is writing, there it is written that a dozen times, means more than 12 times a day, to inquire about her dog Tricky. And Mr. Harriet used to avoid the questions. And which type of question she asked? Was the dog getting the proper coat according to the weather or beds, etc. So she was worried about all this. But what Dr. Harriet did, he told that Tricky was doing very good and was recovering very fast. So whatever he answered of hundreds of her questions, that Tricky is recovering very fast. Next paragraph. The word convulsing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozens at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of the wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. Now here, when Mrs. Pumphrey got to know that Tricky is recovering fast, so what she started, Mrs. Pumphrey wanted actually Tricky to recover fast, and once again she did that overdoing, over caring and overfeeding she started. But the dog was there in the clinic of Mr. Harriet. So when she started sending 2 dozens of eggs every day for him, Mr. Harriet and his partners would have 2 eggs each of breakfast. Means they are not giving whatever the things, eggs, wine, whatever, right, were sent by Mrs. Pumphrey. They do not give that to Tricky, but they consume all the things themselves, right? For a happy period of my partner, I had 2 eggs, and after that what happened? He told here that situation changed when 2 bottles of Mrs. Pumphrey started sending bottles of wine Then it became Mr. Harriot's habit to have 2 glasses of wine before lunch and few along with it, right? So he was actually getting all these things. He was not giving anything to dog. Next paragraph. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. What? We are talking about wine. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during meal. So Mr. Harriot got the habit to have 2 glasses of wine before the lunch and sometime with the lunch also. Next paragraph on next page. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. For a few nights the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled and reverently drunk. So here in this paragraph we will come to know that brandy, we could hardly believe it when the brandy came to the final edge. So what is this brandy? Brandy is a strong alcoholic fermented wine actually. So that is a type of wine. So that is brandy. So she started sending brandy also. And Tricky's constitution, this constitution means the composition of something, right? And one more word is here, reverently. Reverently means with deep and solemn respect. So here in this paragraph the author is saying that Mrs. Pumphrey started sending brandy also. First she started dozen of eggs per day, 1 dozen eggs per day. After that wine also, and now she started sending what? Brandy. At that time Mr. Harriot was not able to believe that Mrs. Pumphrey actually wanted them to give brandy to Tricky, right? So they shared it among themselves. They did the same thing. They were days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved the and sustained by midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. So Mr. Harriot told here that some days he used to feel very happy as he would start his day with the extra eggs. Then he would have a few glasses of wine in the afternoon, and by ending means by the evening he used to get that brandy, because all things that were being sent for the Tricky, but Mr. Harriot was not sending was not giving all those things to dog. He and his staff members, they were enjoying all the things. Next paragraph says, it was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. So here in this paragraph, compelled means temptation. First we will see what is the meaning of temptation. So temptation means a desire to do something, attraction you can say, but here it is desire to do something. And compelled, compelled means what? Compelled means to bring out by force or pressure. So that is called compelled, means forced someone. And then fortnight is a period of 15 days, right? And now what happened, that the staff members and doctor and all of them, they were enjoying the things which were sent, means all the eatables which was sent by Mrs. Pumphrey for that dog, but they are not giving anything to the dog, they are consuming that themselves. So it was actually a great time for them. And Harriot was really tempted, Harriot and his staff members, they were really tempted to keep the dog as a permanent guest. And the doctor wanted that Tricky should stay with them forever. Why? Because the mistress, she will keep on sending the things like eggs, wine, brandy, many cakes, chocolates, all of the things, right? So Tricky should stay them forever, but then he realized that Mrs. Pumphrey, who was like a mother to Tricky, was really suffering and really wanted Tricky back. So after a fortnight, means after 15 days, Tricky was ready to go to home. Means Dr. Harriet, he called Mrs. Pumphrey that she can pick the dog back, right? Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. The chauffeur opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey, almost lost in the interior. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better?" Means she loved the dog like a mother, and she was very fond of the dog. She loved her dog a lot. Now, as soon as Mr. Harriet called, Mrs. Pumphrey, within 15 minutes, right, she came there in a long black car. Gleaming black metal here means what? Gleaming black metal, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal. That is a long, because she was very rich, so these things are telling that she was very rich. So after within few minutes, or you can say after some time, she appeared there in a long black car. When the chauffeur is what? The driver, opened the door, and Mrs. Pumphrey was sitting inside. She was very excited and she was very nervous too, right? And she was asking with a nervousness in her voice that, "Was Tricky really better, doctor?" So then, "Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him." So here doctor said that yes, he is really okay, or curing, or he had been already cured, right? So he replied that, "You stay here and I will get the dog." I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs were hurtling around and round the lawn. In their midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks he had been transformed into a lithe, hard-muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. So here some of the new words you have to underline here. First is hurtling. Hurtling means what? Hurtling means to cause to move at high speed. Uncontrolled means. And midst means in the middle of. And one more word you have to underline here, that is lithe. Lithe means thin and graceful, right? So what happened here, that when Mr. Harriet went to the garden behind the house to get the dog, and then he saw that all the dogs were moving around in the garden and Tricky was also sitting between them, right? He had recovered wonderfully in 2 weeks and he was looking much healthier, playing with other dogs, and his chest was touching the ground, means he was very healthy. Now he had become a good muscular dog within 2 weeks. When Mr. Harriet took Tricky to the front of the house, so what happened? I carried him back along to the passage to the front of house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. She gave a startled "oh," and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats and bowls, none of which had been used. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriet," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? This is a term of surgery." So here, when he got the dog with him. So still the chauffeur, the driver was there. He was still holding the door of the car, and Tricky saw his mother like mistress, and he was overjoyed. He ran away and jumped into the lap of Mrs. Pumphrey and started licking her face. He was barking in excitement also. And while all this was happening, the driver, means the chauffeur, and Mr. Harriot got all the stuff of the dog out to the car, which had not been used during the treatment in the last the 15-14 days. So when Mrs. Pumphrey was leaving, she leaned out of the window and said to Mr. Harriot with tears of joy in her eyes that she could not thank him enough for what he had done. This is a triumph of surgery, meant that the treatment was given to Tricky had been successful. And this is written by James Harriot. So dear students, this was all about a triumph of surgery, where we learnt that Tricky was a dog who was very greedy, and that's why he became sick. And Mr. Harriot cured him, by not giving him much things to eat as Mrs. Pumphrey gave him. So we learnt in this chapter a triumph of surgery, that anything given, food if given more than it is required, will harm the body, but if in time you come into proper routine, that problem can be resolved without any surgery. Thank you very much, students. Study the chapter, and in the next video we will discuss the question and answers of this, a triumph of surgery. I hope you understood the chapter. Stay safe, stay healthy.